Hello everyone, this is our mini quadcopter, and now I'm going to show you guys how it's going to work. And first, this is our direction control, and say if you go front, and then it's gonna go like go forward, and then left, right, back, same for all. And this is for tiny movement control. I don't know like the term, but yeah, this is for controlling the direction. And this is the left joystick is for the gas, so say when you start it, and as well as direction, so it's going to turn left and turn right by controlling this left joystick. Same for the adjustment here. And alright, let's turn it on. So you can see the red light start blinking, and now you're just gonna connect here those two. Alright, so the light turned green. That means it's ready to go.